Good morning, South Elementary. My name is Miss Marchman, and I'm the counselor here at South. And today our weather is cooler. We have a high of 89 and a low of 59. Those mornings sure are nice and cool.
They sure are. Sure are. Well, I wanted to talk about the weather, speaking of that for just a second. You know, yesterday we got a little bit of a sprinkle in some parts of Plainview, and it made me think, you know, outside at recess sometimes when it rains, we can't go out there because of the weather. And sometimes we can still go out there, but we need to be careful. So for instance, if it had rained a bunch yesterday, but it's beautiful today, we could still probably go out there, but we would need to be careful around any puddles. So if there's a big puddle under the swing, do you think we should play in it? No, probably not, because then you're going to get wet and have to change clothes. Yeah. Another thing is to check the slide. Sometimes a pool of water likes to sit at the bottom of the slide. So if you're the first one down that slide, you get your pants soaking wet. So if it ever rains, we always want to make sure that we're not playing in those puddles of water and that we're being careful of if we see a big area, just to stay away from it, okay? So that's what I was thinking about the weather. But let's go ahead and stand up and face the flag. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the Texas flag. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now let's recite the South Pledge. Who we are is how we lead. We lead with integrity, unity, responsibility, courage, and gratitude. We are Plainview South. Now, I went out of order. Normally we do our moment of silence and then naps, but we'll do our moment of silence. So please join us for a moment of silence. Thank you. Now you may be seated.
Okay, let's look and see what's for lunch today. Tray 1, country turkey ham sandwich. Tray 2, cheese stuffed sticks. And tray 3, orange chicken with brown rice. Those sound like 3 wonderful choices. And guess what? We don't have any birthdays in July or August today. So,
what are the odds of that?
Yeah, but tomorrow we do, so stay tuned.
Awesome. Well, today is Wednesday, so we're talking about the Red House of Responsibility. So what does it mean to be responsible? Well, I'm thinking of one that I just gave an example of today. So let's say this morning we had another little rain shower, and then it was time to go out for recess, and you started playing in the rain puddles. Is that the responsible thing to do? No, not quite, because now you've been told by the principal that let's stay out of the water. So now you know that. And being responsible means once someone tells you something, you continue to do that right thing over and over. So we're going to be responsible and not play in the water if you see that. Okay? All right. Today's also Wednesday, which means it's college shirt day, or after high school stuff. And so I have on LCU, which is where my husband works, and you have on?
I have WT, which is where I graduated from college from.
Awesome. So, and you'll see a lot of other teachers wearing Texas Tech or Texas Longhorn or other universities. And we encourage you boys and girls to wear a university shirt as well if you have one at home. So that's all of the announcements I think I have.
That's all I have today.
All right. Staff, teachers, I will see you at PLC today. It's Reading PLC. And everybody have a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll see you around. Bye. Bye-bye.